Hi, I'm Kimberly Cherie, and I just got this amazing faux blowout using the T3 Edge. I really love this little device. It did all this in minutes, and when you have stubborn biracial curly hair like I do, it is so essential to find something that will really get it nice and sleek, but also create body and bounce at the same time. I'm going to show you how I got this look.
I like to start by sectioning off my hair and work my way from the back to the front. The great thing about the Edge is that it's so efficient, I don't have to part my hair as much as I usually would, and I can work in larger sections. I work the edge from root to tip nice and slow and even, just to make sure that it catches every little bump and curl along the way so that it's nice and smooth when I move on from this section. I repeat this process throughout the back of my hair until I'm satisfied. And before moving on to each new section, I curve the ends of my hair around the edge, creating some volume and a little bit of bounce. When I get to the end, I like to take the front two sections that frame my face and give them an extra bit of curl. I do this by wrapping my hair away from my face multiple times around the edge and slowly pull the brush down. Twisting the curl around my fingers as it cools to set it in place. And I always finish this style with a little bit of hair oil just to tame those flyaways and to make sure it stays shiny and soft.